Friday.
Welcome to another round of Recruiter Roundup. I'm Coley Scott, Talent Scout under the Sales and HR Division.
And I'm Beth Gall, IT Division Manager.
Yeah, and today we have some exciting things that we want to talk with you guys about. I know that Beth has a job opportunity she wants to highlight and then just a couple different IT updates as well. So talk to us about what you have going on, Beth.
A lot of fun things. First of all, super excited to be here. This is IT's first Recruiter Roundup. We just kicked off the division in December after seeing a need with some of our current clients and just expanding like crazy. We've got a lot of really fun things happening. Right now, we're actively hiring for a couple of data analyst roles, big in the Power BI space. And then we also have a .NET developer role that's in the works and really excited about those. But I'll just say there's a lot happening and these roles move fast. So if you are looking or know of anyone who is, we'd love to hear from you. And same with the client side, if you want advice on what we're seeing or help putting a job description together, we're here for that. So excited to talk through a little bit more about that. And then also, I just want to share, there's so many fun, innovative things in IT. And we've had the opportunity as an organization to really be able to lean into that. And just being new on the leadership team here, come up with some ideas. And AI is a hot topic. It always has been. I said always has been. Over the last 6 months, it has been all that a lot of people have been talking about. And so we're excited to introduce some new AI functionalities here at Chief of Staff. One of the big things that we're going to be implementing is an application called staffing.ai.ai. And what this means is we're going to go into AI interview mode where when you're actually submitting your resume, we're going to do an automatic job matching component where it will automatically apply your resume to these jobs based off of your specific criteria. So if you have anything that is like even pizza toppings, if you have that on your resume, it'll pull that functionality into this job. The other thing we're going to do is AI interview mode. So everyone is already doing this deepfake thing. You've seen that as a recruiter. It's totally crazy. So we're leaning into that. Why wouldn't we have you and your persona and your voice and your likeness on camera so that if you're a busy parent like I am, at least we can have that at our disposal to be able to use that as an interview component. And a lot of these interviews are being done virtually anyway, or at least for a first round. So we're going to be using deep fakes and super excited about that. And then one of the other things we're doing with this vibe check hiring. Here at Chief of Staff, we are huge into culture. It's a big piece of how we operate. We want to make sure that you're a culture fit. So we're going to use your signs, your text, your emojis. If you have a Netflix series that you're binging or even a Spotify playlist, these are things that are going to be pulled into making sure that you're applying to these specific jobs. And then one of my favorites too is we have so many of these candidates that come in that don't have the right experience, or maybe they only have a couple years experience here and they're not quite a fit for jobs. We're going to use our AI job level up functionality where you plug your resume in and you actually get an automatic 10 years of experience. So, I went on way too long. April Fool's, man.
April Fool's!
You let me talk way too long and I was holding it together. No, this is all fake.
Oh my god!
That might be
you
the most
said
serious.
that, and then I was like, hang on. Am I hearing this right?
That might be the most serious, the longest I've ever been serious in my life.
Wait, Beth, you started smirking and I was like, she thinks that Beth's going on for too long too. This is crazy.
In all seriousness,
None of that's true.
None of it's true. We absolutely value meeting candidates in person. That's something that makes us stand out above any other staffing firm. We don't agree with deepfakes, and actually we can help you identify what those are and have some tips and tricks for that. But we are absolutely not doing any of that. Hopefully this will be cut appropriately so everyone knows this is an April Fool's joke.
Oh my gosh, well, you got me good. I was gonna say, wow, there's a lot of different AI things that I haven't even heard of, so. But yeah, that's great, and we're so excited to have Beth and Joel here on our team at Chief of Staff, and they have hit the ground running our IT division, and it's been so fun to watch them grow so quickly. And so definitely get in touch if you are looking for a new opportunity in the IT space or looking to hire for your team. I'm sure they'd be a great resource for you. And today I actually wasn't gonna really highlight a job. I actually wanted to talk about an HR candidate that I am speaking with right now that is open for her next opportunity. And she is a very, very well-seasoned HR professional here in the Kansas City area. So some of her background that's definitely, worth noting is she has a 100% team retention rate, which is sometimes unheard of within the HR world. She has a proven track record of building really strong, engaged teams and just driving HR excellence, building out policies and procedures. And she's a very, very great executive level HR candidate. And I'd be more than happy to make an introduction if your team is looking for that exact person. So, well, I think we really hit it off today with the
We sure did.
So talk to me about what you're doing this weekend, Beth.
Well, I noticed that there are Royals games.
Mm-hmm.
They're back.
They're
we all
back,
got to go to
baby.
opening day. I hope you guys saw us on social. Playing the Orioles this weekend, and there's a bark at the park. There's a t-shirt giveaway. We got a bobblehead.
Yep.
Got the Sasquatch bobblehead happening, so that'll be a fun weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. We had such a great time at the Royals game. I know I got a foam finger, and we all had a
Yeah, you
ball. And this weekend, I also know that there is a Easter pop-up bar Saturday and Sunday.
Pop-up
bar.
Hop-up
Bar, like a bunny. And it is a hop-up bar at Casey Wine Co. I know I'm going to go check it out and have a great time. Perfect for the season and in the spring weather. So very excited for that.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.